Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. This will be a quick video to explain you about what are graduate jobs because some of you asked about graduate job and how they are different from entry level jobs. So that's what I will be discussing in this video. And if you are new here or if you want to subscribe to the channel, please go subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family. And also hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. And also give this video a thumbs up if you end up liking this video. So yeah, with that being said, let's start our discussion. So graduate jobs are uh, very much similar to entry level jobs, but then the pay is little higher in graduate jobs. But then again, it depends very much on the company. So let's say we have company A and company B, and company A is paying more for their entry level job, but then the company B is paying less as compared to A for graduate jobs. So it depends on company to company and the profit they are making and the size of the company. But then within the organization, the pay scale is higher for uh, graduate roles. So in company A, they are paying higher for entry level job, but then they will pay even higher for the graduate job. So that is there. And one more flexibility is you have a flexible joining date. So let's say you are doing your master's program or even bachelor's program, and you will be finishing your course in, let's say, August, and your interview is happening in January. So they will allow you to join after August or something like that. So they will give you a time period where you can choose which date you want to join, and you have that flexibility. But then for entry level jobs or the jobs which are for experienced people, they tend to ask you to join immediately because they have opening immediately, and this flexibility is not there. One more thing about graduate job is when you join some organization, they train you on specific tools and technologies, or maybe just good coding practice, so that you will be fit for the organization. Because there are many universities they don't teach other tools. So if we talk about data science or IT industry, so we learn of programming languages or other key concepts like algorithms and machine learning, deep learning and all. But then there are other tools as well which we need to know, such as Git, because it is being used widely in the industry to collaborate among team members, and not many universities cover this thing. Personally, for me, my university covered this thing, so that's a really good thing for people who didn't know Git. But then, yeah, people in the beginning were like, why are we using Git? There are so many other simple ways to do this. But then when they will go to industry and they will see that it is being used in day-to-day life, they will come to know that, okay, that was good that we learned this thing in our master's program or in the university, so that they don't have to put a lot of effort to learn or pick up those tools. So yeah, things like that they teach for the graduate role people. So, and also there is a requirement that you should not have lot of experience. So at least you should have less than 3 to 4 years of experience. So if you have less experience, then you will be able to get into graduate roles. But there are chances you might be able to get graduate roles even with a lot of experience if you agree to uh, get pay less. Obviously, if you have experience of like 4 or 5 years, then you will expect more salary. But then there is a fixed salary for graduate role, and there is not much negotiation about it. So you will have to agree with the pay that they are offering you. So yeah, these are the key points that you should know about graduate jobs. And if you have anything specific related to graduate job and you want to know, you can always post it in the comment section. I will be more than happy to reply. So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys. And you can download data science notes. Link is in the description. You can join our Telegram group. Again, link is in the description. And don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment all those good things. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye. Happy learning.